So children, in the earlier video we have seen right angle triangle and we have drawn the medians in this way and we have written the answers also. Okay, now we will start the next type of triangle, it is obtuse angle triangle. Here also we will draw medians. Now see the triangle XYZ is an obtuse angle triangle, and similarly here also we will draw perpendicular bisector to find the midpoint of opposite side of each vertex. So first take X as a vertex and its opposite side is YZ. So we will draw perpendicular bisector of YZ. Take more than half distance and draw two arcs towards YZ. From Z also and from Y also we have drawn two arcs, and now in this way we will join these 2 points. First you will put 2 points, 2 dots over here, and then draw a dotted line. Everywhere you have to draw dotted line so that you will not get confused. So here we have drawn first dotted line, and now here put a dot over here and name this midpoint as point A. And now after X, Y will come. So Y is a vertex and its opposite side is XZ. So let us draw perpendicular bisector of side XZ. So again take more than half distance. In this way we have taken, now take more than half distance and draw two arcs towards this side from Z also and from similar distance from Y. So I have drawn here two arcs, and now you will join these two point of intersection. First you put a dot and draw a dotted line towards this point of intersection. In this way we have joined the two arcs. Okay children, and now we got a midpoint of side XZ from Y. So as we have given name here A, so we will put here name as B. And now the third side is what? XY. Take a vertex Z and its opposite side is XY, and now to draw perpendicular bisector of side XY, what we will do? We will draw again perpendicular bisector from side XY. Take more than half distance from each side and draw two arcs in this way. From Y we have drawn, and now draw from X. From X also we will draw two arcs. So here one arc is to be extended now. This will be your arc. Now we got two arcs and we will join it by putting a dotted line, this arc and this arc of point of intersection. So in this way put a dotted line and join it. So we have joined now, and in this way we got point of intersection, and this point we got as a midpoint of XY. So as we have named A, B, and we will give this point as name C. Now we got midpoint. So the next step is what? We will draw the medians. So from vertex X we will draw one segment, line segment towards its opposite side where the midpoint is there. To that midpoint we will join A to X here in this way. And the next vertex is Y. From Y we will join this B point as a midpoint. So from vertex Y join B. We have drawn median also. Here from Z the midpoint is C. So join Z to C. In this way we have drawn the three medians, and its point of intersection is point G. Okay children, understood? And in this way we have to write down the answer. Now here the medians XA, YB and ZC are the medians of triangle XYZ. In this way we will write XA, segment YB and segment ZC are the medians of triangle x, y, z. And second point is what? You know it. The medians are, yes, concurrent. These three medians are concurrent, means their lengths are equal, they are congruent. And third point is what? The point G. The point G is called, is the centroid of which triangle? Of triangle X, Y and Z. So here one important note is given. For all types of triangles, the location of centroid G is in the interior of the triangle. So children, here we have completed our activity 4 of page number 21. In the next period, we will see practice set 4.1. Till then, complete your work. Thank you.